If you run a restaurant, your website can't just be another generic local business site that, lists an address and a menu and calls it a day. Your guests are checking you out online before they ever walk through the door. And if your site looks outdated, loads slowly, or makes it hard to book a table or order online, a lot of them will simply go elsewhere instead. A strong restaurant website should clearly show your menu, highlight your vibe with great photos, make reservations or online orders super simple, and work perfectly on a phone. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which website builder is going to work best for your restaurant, so you're not guessing or wasting money. Now stick with me here, because if you miss this and pick the wrong platform, you could end up rebuilding everything from scratch later, which is a waste of time and money. Restaurant websites have to do way more than just, look pretty, right? You need a site that works almost like a digital front of house. It has to show your menu clearly, handle reservations or wait lists, connect to delivery or online ordering, and answer common questions fast so that your staff isn't stuck on the phone all day. On top of that, most of your traffic is on mobile from people who are hungry right now, so if your site is slow or confusing, you lose them in seconds. That's why choosing the right website builder is such a big deal for restaurants. It affects real bookings, covers, and revenue, not just your online presence, right? Now, before we move forward here, I have to say, if you're like me and you don't have time to research, dozens of website builders, and you just want the best option for roughly 99% of restaurants, go ahead and click this link right up here to try it for free with the absolute best pricing offer that I could find if you decide to upgrade later in the future. Now, no pressure to click that link now, of course, but it is there throughout the video if you need it. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and start with the website builder that's usually the best overall choice for most restaurant owners. So for most restaurants, Wix is going to be the best all-around website builder because it gives you a ton of flexibility without forcing you to become a tech expert. It's especially good if you want a site that looks custom to your brand, whether you run, a cozy neighborhood cafe, a high-end steakhouse, or a fast casual concept, but you still want drag and drop tools and templates that make everything easy. Restaurant owners tend to really like Wix because it has dedicated restaurant templates, built-in tools for menus, reservations, and online ordering, and a huge app marketplace if you want to connect to services like OpenTable, Toast, or other tools that you're already using. Now, the big strengths for restaurants are that you can create beautiful photo-heavy pages to show off your dishes, set up a mobile-friendly online menu, plug in table reservations, and even integrate delivery or pickup ordering right on your site. You can also easily update hours, specials, or seasonal menus without calling a web developer every time. Now, on the downside, if you go really heavy on design and apps, Wix can feel a bit cluttered or slightly slower if you're not careful. And there's a bit of a learning curve if you've never built a site before. But it's still way easier than custom code. The pricing is usually in the low to mid monthly range, depending on which plan you actually choose and whether you need online ordering or more advanced features. Now, again, if you want to check out Wix for yourself by creating a completely free account, you can click right up here to sign up and learn more about how they can help you. Now, if Wix sounds solid, but you're kind of wondering whether there's a more design-first option out there that still works for restaurants, well, the next platform might be an option that you consider. Squarespace is an awesome fit if your restaurant lives and dies by its brand and aesthetics. Think trendy brunch spot, upscale wine bar, or chef-driven concept where the vibe is just as important as the food. It's really best for restaurant owners who care a lot about having a clean, modern, minimalist design and don't need a super complex tech stack behind the scenes. Restaurant owners tend to like Squarespace because the templates are gorgeous right out of the box. It's easy to drop in high quality photos, and you can build a simple menu and basic reservation or contact workflows without overthinking it. Now, for restaurants, the strengths are beautiful mobile friendly pages that make your food and interior photos pop, simple menu pages, and a very clean editor that doesn't overwhelm you with options. That said, Squarespace usually isn't as flexible as Wix when it comes to adding lots of third-party apps or deep customization. If you want advanced online ordering, complex integrations, or a highly customized layout, Squarespace can feel a little bit limited compared to Wix. Now, in most cases, Wix will give restaurants, more power and features, especially if you want online ordering and integrations to grow over time. Now, pricing for Squarespace is typically in the same general range as Wix, with a few different plan levels depending on what you actually need. Now, if you want to check out Squarespace for yourself, you can click below in the link in the description, which will lead you to a special limited time offer that they're running right now for new customers. But if you're more, budget conscious, or you're willing to trade some convenience for lower costs and more control, the next option here might be a better fit. Hostinger is a great choice if you're a restaurant owner who wants to keep monthly costs as low as possible and you don't mind a bit more of a DIY approach. It's best for restaurants that either already have someone that's a little tech savvy on the team or want a simpler site now with room to grow later to a more traditional web tool. Now, restaurant owners, they tend to like Hostinger because it combines very affordable hosting with a website builder option. And if you ever outgrow the builder, you can move into a WordPress setup on the same hosting. Now, for restaurants, the main strengths are very low pricing, solid performance for the cost, and the ability to build a simple website that covers your basic needs like hours, location, contact info, menu, and maybe a reservation link or an online ordering button that points to a third-party service. The trade-off here is that Hostinger's builder isn't as polished or restaurant-focused as Wix, and you won't get as many built-in restaurant templates, apps, or integrations either. Now, if you're looking for an all-in-one system with menus, reservations, and ordering all under one roof, Wix is usually going to be the better option. Pricing for Hostinger is among the cheapest options out there monthly, especially if you're okay with paying annually. And if Hostinger, they sound like the best fit for you, well, then check out the link in the description below as well, which entitles you to a special deal that they're also running right now for new customers. And if you're still not sold on any of these platforms and you're thinking, well, you know what, I just want to know what actually matters when I choose, the next section is going to walk you through exactly what to look for in a restaurant website builder. So when you're picking a website builder for your restaurant, there are a few key things that you'll want to pay attention to so you don't regret your choice 6 months from now. First, look for strong mobile performance. So most people, they will check you out on their phone, either on the way to your place or while they're, planning where to eat. So your website has to load fast, look clean, and make it easy to see your menu and call or get directions. Second, make sure it handles restaurant-specific features. So that means, easy menu management, options for reservations or wait lists, and the ability to connect with online ordering or delivery partners, either built in or through integration. Third, pay attention to how easy it is to update. So you'll probably change hours, specials, and seasonal dishes regularly. So you need a builder that lets you log in, tweak a few items, and publish it in minutes without needing a developer to do it. Fourth, check the design flexibility. So you want something that can match your branding, colors, logo, photography style, whether you're running a casual burger spot or a fine dining restaurant, it doesn't matter. And fifth, look at SEO and local search tools because showing up in Google when someone types, best tacos near me is a big deal. And finally, make sure that you're looking at the value of what you're getting for the price. Now you can go with the cheapest platform out there, right? But the problem there is that you might not be getting all the different bells and whistles that you need, which will end up meaning that, in the future, you'll probably change the platform, which can cost you way more in the long run. Now, once you know what to look for, choosing between Wix, Squarespace, and Hostinger, it becomes a lot easier, to be honest. So at the end of the day, all three of the platforms, they can work, but usually Wix is the best overall option for most restaurants because it balances ease of use, restaurant-focused features, and design flexibility. Well, if you're tired of juggling phone calls for reservations, sending people to third-party menus that really don't match your brand, or losing guests because your site isn't mobile friendly, Wix gives you a way to pull everything into one place without hiring a developer. So if that sounds like the problem that you're dealing with right now, you can click right up here to create a completely free account and start building a restaurant website that actually helps you get more bookings and orders. Now, if you have any questions for me or you're a little bit confused about what's best for your restaurant, no problem at all. Just drop me a comment below and I'll do my absolute best to help you out as soon as possible. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.